Every brain changes with age, and so does mental function. Mental deterioration is common, and it is one of the most feared side effects of aging. However, cognitive impairment is not unavoidable. Here are 12 tips to help you maintain brain function. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified. 1. Get mental stimulation. Scientists have discovered that brainy activities stimulate new connections between nerve cells and may even help the brain generate new cells, developing neurological plasticity, and accumulating a functional reserve that serves as a hedge against future cell loss. Any mentally stimulating activity should aid in brain development. Read, take classes, and engage in mental gymnastics, like word puzzles or math problems. Experiment with activities that require both manual and mental dexterity, such as drawing, painting, and other crafts. 2. Get physical exercise. According to research, using your muscles benefits your mind as well. Animals that exercise regularly increase the number of tiny blood vessels that bring oxygen-rich blood to the thought-processing region of the brain. Exercise also promotes the formation of new nerve cells and strengthens the connections between brain cells, synapses. This results in more efficient, plastic, and adaptive brains, which translates to improved performance in aging animals. Exercise also lowers blood pressure, raises cholesterol, improves blood sugar balance, and reduces mental stress, all of which can benefit both your brain and your heart. 3. Improve your diet. Good nutrition can benefit both your mind and your body. People who follow a Mediterranean-style diet, which emphasizes fruits, vegetables, fish, nuts, unsaturated oils, olive oil, and plant-based protein sources, for example, are less likely to develop cognitive impairment and dementia. 4. Improve your blood pressure. Midlife hypertension raises the risk of cognitive decline in old age. Use lifestyle changes to keep your blood pressure as low as possible. Stay lean by exercising regularly, limiting your alcohol consumption to 2 drinks per day, reducing stress, and eating right. 5. Improve your blood sugar. Diabetes is a major risk factor for developing dementia. You can help prevent diabetes by eating well, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight. However, if your blood sugar remains high, you will require medication to achieve good control. 6. Improve your cholesterol. High LDL, bad cholesterol levels are linked to an increased risk of dementia. Diet, exercise, weight control, and avoiding tobacco use will all help to lower your cholesterol levels. However, if you require additional assistance, consult your doctor about medication. 7. Consider low-dose aspirin. According to some observational studies, low-dose aspirin may reduce the risk of dementia, particularly vascular dementia. Consult your doctor to see if you are a candidate. 8. Avoid tobacco. Tobacco in any form should be avoided. 9. Don't abuse alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a major risk factor for dementia. Limit yourself to 2 drinks per day if you choose to drink. 10. Care for your emotions. Anxious, depressed, sleep-deprived, or exhausted people perform poorly on cognitive function tests. Poor scores do not necessarily predict an increased risk of cognitive decline in old age, but good mental health and adequate rest are unquestionably important goals. 11. Protect your head. Even in the absence of diagnosed concussions, moderate to severe head injuries increase the risk of cognitive impairment. 12. Build social networks. Strong social ties have been linked to lower dementia risk, as well as lower blood pressure and a longer life expectancy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for great content. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you get notified when new content is added.